The two biggest things that I want you to take away and start implementing in your business when you're creating your covers are view your cover at thumbnail size. Like, I can't tell you how important viewing it on a very, very small scale is. You just start to see your cover differently that way. And then secondly is line up all your competitors and view your cover along with all your competitors in a line, because that will tell you, is your cover too bright, too dark? Is the text too big? Am I using wrong colors? Like, if everyone else is using blue and yellow and you're using like purple and green, ask yourself, why is everyone using blue and yellow, right? Like, those are the little things that matter that you need to figure out. And I don't have a slide for this, but this is you, right? When your cover designer creates a crappy cover, 9 times out of 10, it was because your instructions sucked. And your instructions suck because you're not clear on what you're doing for your cover. You always have to have a really, really good idea on exactly what you want, some of the imagery you're thinking, send some examples. What do you like? What don't you like about those covers? You know, what type of font do you want? What, you know, how should it feel? Like, there's like a whole big brief that you should be sending to your cover designers in order for them to be able to put it all together, right? Their job is to take your idea and put it all together and create a beautiful cover. But it's your job to give them the detailed instructions on what needs to be put together. And if you can't give them those instructions, probably just got to go back to the research phase and understand this a little bit more. Cool. I guess last tip I have this, it's like screenshot all of the competitors' covers, throw them into AI and ask it, hey, what are all of the common things that you're seeing here? You know, what about the type of font, the colors, like what themes do you, reoccurring themes do you see in all of these covers? And what do I need to do to make sure my cover is similar, but it stands out? Ask AI. We have such an amazing, amazing helper for everything, AI.